Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie, and if you guys know, please subscribe, turn on notifications. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, the notification bell, so you my videos every single day. Please click the thumbs up button. And if you hear anything in the background, that's my family, so I'm really sorry about that. And anyways, today, I hope you enjoyed this video. But anyways, guys, I did get nails. They're really long. I barely can do anything with them. I'm getting really used to doing the typing, so yeah, I'm getting used to them, but yeah. But today I'm going to be doing a, I'm going to try to be playing with slime with these long nails on, so, they're probably going to get stuck to the slime, but hopefully not, and hope I don't ruin these. These are just fake nails, but I hope they don't fall off and also stick to them. I'm just going to open this because, yeah. Oops. So, oh my god. Okay. So anyways, these may fall off, but yeah. Anyways, guys, so I have these two slimes and my big slime. So, what? Anyways, guys, I am starving, but it's like lunchtime, like the end of lunchtime. But yeah, so first time I'm going to be doing is this slime. So, I don't even know how I'm gonna get it out. I literally just thought of that. Oh my god. It's not even that stretchy. So it's stretchy, but like you have to pull it hard to stretch it. But oh my god, it's not that bad actually. I can't poke it though. I can't really do anything with it. I only can I can't do anything. I only can stretch it and lay it out. But I wish these were like moving, but I hope my BFF Grace will see my nails because she's been wanting to get my long nails, but yeah, look at this, and yeah. Whoa. It's really bad, but I'm gonna have to fix it. Anyways, get back in the container and move on to my big slime. I'm not doing my glitter slime, which is this one, because it's too little. I can't even open this container. There we go. So the slime is a little bit sticky. Oh my god, this feels so good. Oh my god. I feel like this is gonna get a lot of likes because, I don't know. Oh, you can just do it with these. My cousin Sophia, I saw her at her house, and she told me to do that. And I said, where'd you get that from? Because that's actually really smart. Oh my god, it's actually really sticky. It's sticking to my nails. Oh god. This is really sticky, but trying to take it out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, get off my nail. Get off my nail. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get it out. I did it! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, please don't stick to my nails. I'm begging this slime not to. It's this is really nice. This is my favorite slime. I don't even want to hurt it. But I can't squeeze it. I just remembered myself that. But look how I poke it, right? Sorry about that. But look how I poke. Oh, I just can't even see. Look, ready? Come on. like this. Oh, I can poke. But my nails may fall off. But I don't think they will, because these are like really good nails. I can't squish it. That's like the only thing I can't do, because these nails are like really long and I can't do anything about it. I'm just gonna have to get used to them. And they're the nail life hacks, because this is gonna be these nails are gonna be I'm gonna try to keep them on as long as I can, and then yeah, I have to practice how to write because I do have school tomorrow, and I want to wear these down to the mountains. If you guys have really long nails like this, but they're like your actual nails, please comment down below. Yeah, and tell me if you guys are like, I just squeezed it and it's just hurt my nail. Oh my god. I'm surprised it didn't even fall off, because they probably would fall off in the slime if they did, but.
Sorry, I still feel bad for you because I missed the whole thing. Happy birthday.
Okay, this smells like
You too, huh?
It's your birthday.
You know, the one good thing about John being gone is that whatever he had planned, we're not doing.
Which is why I brought love and a cookie.
One cookie for the three of us? It's yours, Ed. The cookie's only yours.
Which one do you use the birthday?
What if I can't open a bag?
Damn it, John.
I can just do it with that, yeah.
What do you think, John?
Yeah, I need.
Just doesn't feel right with him. No, that's... Bro, don't get inside.
Gentlemen, Larry, is it Larry? Larry and his limo are about to drive us to, wait for it.
So I am getting used to it, but
We will be on Ruben's Ice, playing hockey with some of the greatest players of all time.
John still wants to do this, right?
they might fall off. But like,
Listen, we gotta do this. Very right.
thank God. Whoever highly requested this, thank you, Queen. Because now, not Queen, I didn't mean Queen, but thank you, because now I know how to play with slime with these long nails. Try to watch this. I barely can do anything with this. These long nails. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do my butter slime, but I can't even get it out because it's like stuck in the container. Actually, maybe I can, but like I'm probably not gonna be able to get back in. But even this, but come on, my freaking nail. This slime is too little. Okay guys, so I don't want this video to be too long, so like, yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up button, and bye.